Local measles outbreak happening in Southwest Washington has been making national headlines.
And today, the U.S. Surgeon General was in town calling for people to get vaccinated. Surgeon General Jerome Adams met with health providers and patients today in Clark County, the epicenter of the measles outbreak. Emily Burris, live tonight with more on the Surgeon General's message. Emily?
Well, and guys, his message was very clear. He wanted people to know that vaccines save lives. And he came here to Clark County to really praise the work of health officials in Oregon and Washington, what they've been doing so far to try and contain this measles outbreak, which we know has sickened more than 70 people since the beginning of the year. The Surgeon General also made it very clear that there's more work that needs to be done to make sure parents are getting the facts when it comes to vaccinations.
Folks need to understand that vaccinations are safe and are effective.
A message from the U.S. Surgeon General Jerome Adams on the ground in Clark County, meeting today with state health officials about the ongoing measles outbreak, declared a public health emergency.
These outbreaks that we're seeing here in Clark County really are preventable. And when they occur, it takes a whole community response with a whole lot of effort to try and control these.
His visit comes at a time when more than 200 confirmed cases of measles in 11 different states so far this year are fueling concerns about a lack of vaccination.
There's a social contract that exists in our community. We all have to look out for one another. And unfortunately, some people can't get vaccinated. So it's important that the ones that can do, not just to protect themselves, but to protect everyone else.
Adams met with healthcare workers, praising them for their response. For weeks, they've followed thousands of potential contacts, tracking the spread of measles in the Northwest. He followed that, meeting doctors and patients at a pediatric clinic, praising parents like Cerise Wilson, who changed her mind and chose to vaccinate her son, 15-month-old Everett.
Everyone just wants what's best for their children. It eventually turned to where I was more I had more anxiety about him not being protected by the vaccines than by being fearful of what the vaccines could potentially do to him.
And the Surgeon General says really one of the biggest issues for the medical community going forward is stopping the spread of misinformation when it comes to vaccines. He says right now his office is working with companies like Facebook, Google, and WebMD to make sure that when parents have questions and they go online looking for answers, they're met with accurate information. Live in Clark County, Emily Burris, KOIN 6 News.